What up, world? It's your boy Mark Clyde. Time to rise and fly. Welcome, Fly Squad. Join us today as we soar through the skies of Daytona Beach. Home of the Daytona International Speedway, this beach hosts some of the most iconic coastline and exciting motorsports events that Florida has to offer. Located on the east coast of Florida, Daytona is renowned for the wide span of its smooth white sand beach that stretches for 23 miles down the Atlantic coast. Joined to Florida's mainland by several bridges, Daytona was dubbed the world's most famous beach for being the go-to site for vehicle land speed tests from 1902 to 1958 and for the 10 million visitors it draws each year. With more than 10 waterfront parks and a variety of 4-star hotels and festivals, this beach has something for sun lovers of all ages to enjoy. This is one of the few beaches in Florida that allow visitors to cruise their rides down the sand, while others spend time splashing in the pristine blue ocean waves. Home to over 60 one-of-a-kind pop culture festivals, this beach is a favorite for motorists of all types, hosting car shows along with the annual Biketoberfest. The main event draw, however, is the world-famous Daytona International Speedway, where race car drivers can become racing legends. Known as the World Center of Racing, it features multiple track layouts, such as the high-speed tri-oval, sports car course, as well as the motorcycle course and karting track. As the fans keep coming in, so does the expansion. Since its opening in 1959, 3 more courses have been added within this complex that now has a seating capacity for more than 123,000 people in its grandstands area. I hope you all enjoyed this tour of the Daytona Beach area, and if you did, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a video. And until next time, peace.